guys, welcome to day 2. For day 2, we are going to be doing the Sounds Good, Feels Good album. So, like the first album, we're going to be starting with concealing the eyelid. So I'm going to take the same concealer that we used in the other one and just lightly put that on. Dab it with my beauty blender. Now we're going to set that with the Ultra Translucent powder. But this time I'm just going to set it with my finger. Now we are going to, this time I'm only going to be using one of the white colors that we used in the last one. We're going to be using the third color. I'm going to spray it with my finishing spray. Okay, now we're going to use a different color for the crease. I'm going to use the I Want Candy palette, and I'm going to take the color Pastry, which is this one here, and use that as a transition shade. And then I'm going to add a little bit more white if it kind of washed away or like kind of blended together. Now that the color is in the crease, I'm going to use a yellow color. I'm going to use this color. This is like the perfect color for the yellow around Sounds Good, Feels Good. It's a little more yellower, but I like it still. I don't have that color green in this palette, but we'll see what I'm going to use. Now we're going to be doing the underneath the lash line. I'm going to be using like a green and then kind of leading it up to the yellow. So I'm going to be using, I don't really have like a kind of like a neon green color. I can mix colors, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to take this green here. This is like the best green I could find. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of drag it along the lash line until it gets to like maybe here. So like that. And then I'm going to put on my eyeliner on the waterline. It's the same one as last time. I'm going to need to sharpen this one soon. Oh. Okay. Now I'm going to be doing some lip gloss. I'm going to take my Too Faced Melted Matte lip gloss. Or liquid lipstick, sorry. In there. And now this look is done.